Hi, I'm Mike from Family Handyman. If you have a sagging or sticking door, instead of avoiding it, I've got a few tips to help you fix it. So here's my problem. I've got a sagging door that's sticking. It's really not a hard fix. The first thing you want to do is check the hinge screws. If they're loose, just give them a few quick turns with the screwdriver. Now if that doesn't work, you want to replace one of the hinge screws with a 3-inch screw. The screw will catch the framing and bring the jamb closer, which will lift the door and get rid of the sag. Now if the door is still sticking here at the bottom on the latch side, there's a similar fix. Take a 3-inch long trim screw and you're going to suck in the jamb to make room for the door. Now if that doesn't do it, you'll have to take the door off and sand it down to fit the frame. For more hints, tips, and tricks, head to FamilyHandyman.com.